Welcome to Slow English Podcast for Arabs. Train your tongue. English Podcast, Week 2. Last week, you trained your ear. You listened every day. You repeated. You started to understand more. English became clearer. But now something feels different. You understand, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. You stop. You hesitate. You feel stuck. This is normal because listening is one skill. Speaking is another. And this week, everything changes. This week, you speak. Not perfectly, not fast, just clearly and consistently. Because next week, you will learn how to think in English. But you can't think in English if your mouth is still silent. So today, we activate your voice. Part 1. The real problem. Most learners believe I need more vocabulary. No, you already know enough to start. The real problem is simple. You don't use your mouth. You listen, you understand, but you don't speak. And speaking is a physical skill. Part 2. The rule. Simple rule. Don't create sentences. Copy sentences. Don't think too much. Repeat what you hear, like a child. Children don't study grammar first. They listen, then repeat. Again and again and again. That's how speaking starts. Part 3. Shadowing. The most powerful. Now this is important. Shadowing. This is how you train your tongue fast. Here's how it works. Listen to a short sentence. Play it again. Speak with it at the same time. Not after, with it, like a shadow. You follow the sound, the speed, the rhythm. Let's try it. Say this with me. I don't understand. Again, same speed. I don't understand. Again. I don't understand. I don't understand. Good. Now, I want this. Again, same speed. I want this. I don't know. I don't know. Stay with the sound. Don't think, just follow. Now your turn. Say these out loud. What is this? I need help. Can you repeat that? Again. Louder. More energy. I need help. Can you repeat that? I don't know. What is this? Good. This is how you improve. Not by reading, by speaking. Every day, 20 minutes. 10 minutes, listen and repeat. 5 minutes, shadowing. 5 minutes, speak alone. Simple. No grammar. No overthinking. Just repetition. Every day. You feel uncomfortable. Good. That means you are growing. Don't wait to feel confident. Confidence comes after action, not before. Speak even if it's slow. Speak even if it's wrong. Just speak. From today, change one sentence. Don't say, I am learning English. Say, I speak English every day. Even if it's simple. Even if it's basic. You are not preparing anymore. You are doing it. This week, you train your voice. Next week, you will learn how to think in English without translating. And when that happens, speaking becomes natural, faster, easier. But only if you practice this week. Start now. Not tomorrow, not later. Now. Say one sentence, then another. Repeat it again and again. Because fluency is not in your head. It's in your mouth. If you're serious, type this. I speak every day and start today. See you in the next episode. Good luck. I love you so much.